Update weather for today is February 21 and today is Friday. Juma Mubarak to all Muslims around the world. And time now in Pakistan is 3 p.m. Kahapon, heavy snow. Kaya ito natunaw na o yung mga snow kasi may sikat ng araw kaninang umaga. Pero still cold. It's still a freezing temperature. Ayun, marami pang snow pala doon. Oh. Ayan, oh. Ayan, puti-puti pa, oh. Update weather in my village, Creek, Rawlakot, Azad, Kashmir. Today is February 22 and today is Saturday and time now in Pakistan is 8:35 a.m. As you can see, the snow it's almost melted because last uh, 2 days ago or February 20 there was a heavy snow. So now it's almost melted the snow. Yesterday I have video around 3 past 3 p.m. I think. So it's almost melted the snow. But over there is still snow because there is no sun over there. Ayan, marami pang snow dito. Oh. But over there, it's already melted. Ayan, may puti-puti pa doon sa yung bahay na yan. Yan, nakikita nyo yan. Yan. Ayan, wala na yung mga snow dito sa roof. Madali lang mag-melted yung ano, yung snow kasi ano, may sikat ng araw. Over there, that is far from my place. You can see the mountain over there that is snow. Ayan. Now summer is coming, that's why this tree of plums and some tree of fruits like these plums, apricot. Now you, as you can see, it's coming out now, leaves. Last 2 days ago, February 20, there was heavy snow. So you can see all the area, place, it's covered by snow. But now it's already clean. And today is very nice weather. It's a pleasant day. I'm going over there down. So lakad tayo. Ay, may snow pa dito. Oh. Yung daanan, ano, basa-basa pa. This kind of leaves with flowers or fruits, one of the most favorite foods of goats. And they call it here in our village, pari is betkel. But I don't know this one in Urdu or in English or in Tagalog. This kind of leaves and this with flowers or fruits. They like this too much. Ayan, dami. Ayan, oh. Dami na nilang nakain. Ayun. Kinakain nila yung ano, yung leaves. They're eating only leaves and these flowers or fruits. And the rest, this wood, yan kasi matigas na ito. So, pwede na ito panggatong. Yan, oh, tingnan nyo. Naubos na yung leaves. They will not eat this one, dar fruits. This one seeds, huh? Yeah, they're eating also. Yeah, and this one you see, they eat already all leaves here. Mm. What is doing other one there? Huh? Mm. And this one our small ano bakri goats, two boys and one girl. That black one is girl and this two brown is boy. They're eating also. What they're eating that? This is their favorite also food. Yan, parang ano mais. Yan. Now they are getting bigger now because 1 month now they're almost 1.5 months. I think this first they delivered this one to brown and other one is black. Yan. And this one also next month she will be delivered inshallah 2 or 3 again. Yan. Ito naman, ito yung ano mother nila, ito yung dalawang brown. Mashallah. Their salt. Yan yung pinakaasin nila. Dinidilaan lang nila. And mashallah, before 2 days, last February 20, there is rain and first rain and heavy snow. So that's why our Gardex is getting very healthy now. Before this too much color is yellow. Now it's now become green now because of rain and snow. Yan. Ito yung mga radish. Meron pa palang mga radish dito. And some coriander leaves yan. Ito, lalaki din itong mga coriander leaves. Yan, nakikita nyo yung mga snow dyan na puti-puti. Yan yung bahay namin. Ayan, marami pang ano dito, snow. Kasi hindi ito naaarawan, Dito ito sa baba, ito sa akin pinanbayaw. Ayan yung snow. Ayan, meron pa, Yun yun, Rawlakot City, Yun na yung ano na yon, yung ano yung sa mountain na yan. Ang lugar na yan daw sabi ni Lakay ay Ganga Chuta. Near Muzaffarabad. From that place to Muzaffarabad ay 1 hour. Pero pag dito sa lugar ko, from Rawlakot to that place is 3 hours. Muzaffarabad yan. Kashmir din yan. Yan mga ano na yan, yung mga ice na yan. Yun yung mga manok namin. Ayan, coming na itong mga roses, oh. At saka yung mga grasses coming out now. Kasi ano, naulanan. Ayan. Ayan, dito ako sa baba. Ito yung bahay ng aking ano, hipag. Galing ako doon sa taas, doon sa bahay. Yan yung bahay ng aking binan. So, nandito ako sa baba. Ayun, wala na yung mga snow dyan. Oh, natunaw na lahat. Alagang manok, oh. Ayan, may ice doon, oh. Mashallah. Sari. Ayan, ang daming manok, oh. Dito ako sa ano, sa baba, dito sa bahay ng aking hipag. Yan, may mga isno pa doon. Daming manok.